Yes, yes, sister. Bismillah.
All right, okay, so the next one is 35. The village's
Yes,
house is on top of the mountain. Is that the correct translation, sir? 35.
sister, there was a phone on WhatsApp, so that's why the voice disconnected. So please.
All right, okay. Right, okay, so sentence 35. This village's house is on top of the mountain. Is that the correct translation, sir?
Yes.
Okay. هذا قروي البيت فوق
Mhm.
الجبل.
But you have to take care of muzaf, muzaf ilayh.
Mm.
Muzaf, muzaf ilayh.
So هذا
First of
هذا
all, translate in English again.
So this village's house is on top of the mountain.
The house of this villager, or this villager's house, if we put apostrophe s, that also shows the position, and
Yes,
that
so
would be muzaf, muzaf ilayh.
exactly, sir. So I've written um هذا قروي هذا القروي البيتي. Is that not correct, sir?
Baytu, baytu.
البيتي wouldn't it be مجرور because it's مضاف إليه, sir?
But means baytu. If okay, translate in Arabic with baytu.
So I've written هذا قروي البيتي. No?
So it means will it be muzaf? Means will it be the correct muzaf, muzaf ilayh?
The house of the villager. No, sorry, the villagers. Yeah, the house of the villager. No? Is that not correct, sir?
baytu hadha, baytu hadha.
بيت
القربي
هذا
مضاف مضاف إليه.
Okay, let me بيت.
No issues means, but Alhamdulillah, if you just understand that the order, how to put muzaf and muzaf ilayh in proper order, that would be the right thing to be done.
Yeah, when we need to understand how it needs to be correctly structured when هذا comes into it, because هذا throws everything out. So بيت هذا 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 القروي. Is that correct?
Yes, هذا
Yeah.
القربي. Now, if you
فوق.
translate it, you will get the meaning of muzaf muzaf ilayh. This villager's house.
Yeah, هذا.
It means Baytu Hadal Qarbi, this villager's house. If you use Hadal Qarbiyu Baytin, do you understand? Can it be Mudaf Mudaf ilayh? No. Number one,
This
because Bayt
villages.
means Muzaf should be first of all without Alif Lam. Do you remember? Muzaf
Yes,
does
I
not
understand.
take.
I understand. Yes, I
Yes.
understand that. So al-Qarawi. Right. Okay. So بيت هذا القروي فوق الجبل. And the other one is
فوق
فوق فوق الجبل جبلي.
الجبال.
الجبال is on top of the mountain.
Yes, فوق الجبال.
جبال is جمع, isn't it, sir? جبال.
Yes, al-jibal, we can understand that that may be the complete chain of mountains. That's why we are using al-jibal, al-jibali, fawq
الجبال.
al-jibali.
Okay, so the mufrad is not the correct word to use then. Okay.
You live near mountains, you know that well.
Yes, sir. Right, okay, the next one is the Egyptian. Is this the next one? 30, sorry, no. 36. I revised my lesson for an hour, then I set off for a drive. Is that correct?
For a walk.
Oh, for a walk. Right, okay. ذاكرت درسي ساعة ثم انصرفت لقيادة خرجت للنزهة.
Yes. But over here, when we means try to repeat our lesson, for that the verb is used raja'a. Raja'a. Raja'atu. Raja'atu. Raja'a. Raja'atu durusi sa'atan. Yes. Raja'a. Raja'a yuraji'u.
راجع يراجع. Does that mean
Ye-
revise, sir?
Yes. Means reading it
Okay.
again and again, again and again.
Okay. Reading again.
You can also see its meaning yourself. Try to go through it. So means this is also correct. Means raja'atu. Raja'atu durusi sa'atan thumma kharajtu.
ثم I've written ثم خرجت أو انصرفت
Okay.
للنزهة.
Yes, very good. Go ahead.
Okay. So the next one is 37. The plates are on the kitchen shelves. Is that correct? All right. Okay. So
The plates around or over? On.
On around the kitchen shelf.
On the kitchen shelf. On.
Yeah.
Because we can use
Yes.
fork over.
Yes. الصحون فوق رفوف المطبخ.
رف المطبخ. رف المطبخ.
Right, okay. The reason why I've written shelves because it says shelves in the English book. So
Okay. You can use shelf. You can also change the translation to shelf.
Right, okay. Shelf. I've written that shelf. Right, okay. Can we also use al-atbaqu for place? Right, okay. Right, okay. This was a bit of a challenge. This one. Number 38. The president is with the foreign ministers of the Islamic countries in the conference hall.
Let me save this recording. Just a minute. You can translate it on your own, means you can in your heart, but just give me time. Yes, sister. Bismillah.
Right, okay. So the president is with the foreign ministers of the Islamic countries in the conference hall. Right, so الرئيس مع عند وزراء البلدان الإسلامية الخارجية في قاعة المؤتمر.
في قاعة المؤتمر. Very good. Very good. في قاعة المؤتمر. Yes. Yes, go ahead.
Right, okay, so number 39. My house is small. In front of it, there is a mosque. And behind it, there is a public park. Right, okay, so بيتي صغير أمامه مسجد وخلفه متنزة عام.
Yes. Yes, very good.
All right, okay, and the next one is the Egyptian guests are seated under a shady tree in the garden, and with them is a servant.
This is plural. Yes.
And with them is a servant.
Yes. الضيوف. Khadim is wahid, but means guests. This is jama.
the guests are Jama, the Egyptian
Yes.
guests.
Mm.
Right, okay. So الضيوف المصريون
Mm-hmm.
جالسون تحت
Mm.
شجرة مظل في
Mm-hmm.
في البستان أو في الحديقة
Mm-hmm.
وعندهم خادم.
Yes. ومعهم خادم.
معهم
Yeah.
ومعهم.
خادم. Alhamdulillah. That's great with the grace of Allah Almighty. Okay, sister, I think this exercise we will do it very shortly because you have already done it. Means we will do it concisely, precisely. Just you have to give the word that is either zarf zaman or zarf makan. That's it. Don't touch anything else. Bismillah. The first one.
Right, right, okay. So shall I recite the ayat? No?
Just no. Just did in ayat
Right,
one.
okay.
Uh,
Right, okay. So this one is ma'a, which is ظرف مكان.
Yes. Number two.
يطوفون بين that's ظرف مكان.
Yes.
وبين again ظرف مكان. And the next one.
Three.
Right, okay. So ليلا ونهارا. So that's ظرف زمان.
Yes.
بيقول لي عندك عنده is ظرف مكان في الجنة. Right, okay. Next one هذا فراق بيني. Right, okay. So بيني is بيني وبينك. Yeah, بيني وبينك is ظرف مكان. Both of them. So لهم غرف غرف من فوقها. So فوقي is ظرف مكان. غرف. Yes, and the next one لبثنا يوما أو بعض يوم. So يوما is ظرف زمان. أو بعض يوم من again ظرف زمان. ومن okay ومن
So بعد يوم
وراء.
complete. بعد يوم complete is also ظرف الزمان. Very good.
Okay, بعض يوم. Okay. So the next one is من ورائهم. So وراء is the ظرف مكان. برزخ إلى يوم يبعثون. يومي is ظرف زمان. اليوم is the ظرف زمان. أكملت لكم دينكم. نقلبهم ذات اليمين وذات الشمال. So ذات اليمين وذات الشمال is ظرف مكان.
Very good.
قد جعل ربك تحتك سريا. So تحت is ظرف مكان. وترى الملائكة هافين من حول الأرش. So حولي is ظرف مكان. لم يلبثوا إلا ساعة من نهاري. So ساعة is the ظرف زمان. And نهاري again is ظرف زمان.
Yes.
بعثناكم من بعدي. So بعدي ظرف مكان. موتكم لعلكم تشكرون. وجاءوا آباهم عشاء. So that's ظرف مكان زمان. عشاء ظرف زمان. ما كنت تعلمها أنت ولا قومك
من قبل هذا.
من قبل هذا. قبلي is ظرف زمان.
So, Alhamdulillah, we have completed the exercises of this chapter that we did not complete previously. Alhamdulillah, very good. So it's very good. Alhamdulillah. Just a minute. So we end our session over here.